Hey everyone, today in this video I'll be showing you how you can easily remove the green screen from a video in Premiere Pro. I'm using the Premiere Pro 2023 version. You can use any other versions. It works with all versions, so you don't have to worry about that. Let me just create a new project and show you how you can do that. Okay, now I'll just name it as demo and click on create. Okay, once I'll just make up a sequence real quick. Okay, I will add the files. I have this video that I downloaded from YouTube. Okay, now I'll just add this to the timeline. I'll keep the existing settings. Let me scale it up a little bit as well. And okay, so now in order to remove the green screen, what you have to do is first go on to your effects panel. If you can't find this effects panel, you have to go onto this window and you can tick this option right here. Okay, now once you are in here, you can search ultra key. Okay, now you can see in the video effects and keying, you can see this ultra key effect. You have to drag and drop into your green screen. Once you have this much done, you have to go on to effect controls. Again, if you can't find this window, you have to go on to Windows and you can take this option right here. Okay, now I'll select this clip and now you can see this ultra key option, and below this you have this option called key color, and you have this eyedropper. You have to click on this one and now select the color which you want to remove. In my case it's green, so I will just select it and you can see it's removed. Now if I just put a background, let me just create a new background, maybe a color matte. I will just create some random color. Okay, and now if I drag it here, you can see the green part is completely removed and I can put any other video or anything behind that. It works perfectly. So that's it for today's video. Hope you found this video informative. If yes, please like, share and subscribe, and thanks for watching.